My name is David Ntakaneng Sijobe. Ke dula mo Orange Farm, extension 7B. I'm age 41. Ngibuya ngapha ngaseLimpopo kwindawo bayibiza Amashamba Mkondeni. It's closer to Elim Hospital. Ngiwaka Thangwana ke wankhuphi mona jawule jakhaphi dudumela ke musina dzebera sebuga. Wa bukharwela mali ya kamphaka ka siya daki ya labisa. Wa bo malebe go museli wa mazwele ya makapakapa. Ngwana wa muladelo wa ntukhulu ya Thangwana. Again nayo. Lana eOrange Farm bafongihlala nonkosikazi nabantwana. Igama lakhe uLina uSijobe noZibuya Rotondo Jennifer noMuraba. Ya abantwana bami abantombazana kuphela. Jan. Uri ngwanaka.
Hey David ke motho ke ntate a right baneni ba hae o friendly ba khona mo fitlhella ba khona o bapala le yena le nna ke utlwa hore ha nako ya ka e ba khutshanyane David ke motho ha se motho ha le teng a utlwa ba o re ha o ka re tholetse eng off ke motho wa botso le re utlo ofaning for bana ba hae ba ba happy for yena.
Mina Kamala Mkhumeli Sijobe Rotondwa. David Sijobe's second daughter, and David Sijobe is a good father and he likes bicycles so much.
Ebicycling ngingaqala it was 1985 when my brother come from Johannesburg abuya nebicycle BMX le blue. Ya ngaza ngaqala lapho kuthandana ukugibela ibicycle kwaba kuqala kwami ngebicycle. Even today njengoba liye langinceda kakhulu le ekuqaleni ngumuntu okhule ne diabetic like umuntu okhule ne asthma. Bayazi ngale ngasesigodini sangakithi le Amashamba ngale.
Ke Namphijo Sijobe ke abuti David ke ngwana wa 7 o tloa ko nna ke ngwana wa 4 o tloa khale David a tsa rata bicycle re thomile mmona ka nako ya di BMX le di deck wheel tse abuti ya bona ba tsamaya ka jona yena o ba prefer o tsamaya ka bicycle than o tsamaya ka koloi although ne rena le yona ka hae ya re ka ya mori ya ngona yena ba prefer o tsamaya ka bicycle so re mmone mono re o na le passion ya bicycle.
Ntha etsang o rata hore ba le bona ba ithuthe hore o gana bicycle le bona ba se le nthoni eo ya yo di gana di bicycle ba bapala ka tsona mo strateng so ba se ba ibona hore ke nthe right le bona ba hafule ntho di siginyana tse di ka hlahela ha ba sa train.
Ngisebenzela eRandburg as a security officer. Ngisuka lana eOrange Farm ngebicycle lami every day ngiya khona eRandburg close to 86 kilometers and then ngikhona kuyivala nge2 hours time then nokubuya kanjalo ukuze ngisave isikhathi. Bicycle lebe ngihamba ngalo before umama uye wangithengela lona komunye umdala khona la estradini. Then ngahamba ngalo isikhathi eside abantu balokhu babona ukuthi ngathi ngihamba ngebicycle lehluphekile babonile namaboss wami le emsebenzini abelungu nabo babona ukuthi hayi lo muntu uhamba ngebicycle ele lower standard bahlanganisa then bangithengela one of the most expensive bikes and then namanje seyamabili manje expensive. My wake-up time is 3:30. For me to get prepared in that 10 minutes, ngithathe ibhayisikili lami by 4, and then kube kuthi ngiyaphuma straight eRandburg. Ngifala ngikhave 2 hours on that 86 kilometers. Ngikhave in 2 hours, ngizokwazi ukuthola another 10 minutes mangifika le ye-bathroom. Then ngizokwazi ukujoin abanye eparadini, ngisebenze nabanye. After working, ngithatha kanjalo futhi straight in 2 hours, non-stop until ngize ngifike la endlini. Ngisevisa ibike ngi-double checker ngoba ngisazoyinibonisa la ngisebenzela khona. Remember, it's 86 kilometers away from here, so must make sure ukuthi ibike iku-good condition. Into ngi-achievile up to so far ngebhayisikili physical health ngoba bengumuntu ophila nge-asthma, ngiphila nge-spray lesiya bayibiza spray, and then ngine-diabetic. Now I'm perfect ngebhayisikili. I-asthma is the main one ukuthi it's not easy ukuthi uyiwine. It's a hard, heavy battle. So mina ngithathele up to 1 year 6 months. Ukuthi ngizifile by myself ukuthi now ngisengiyehlile before ngiyo double check. After 2 years 2 months kulapho ke bengisengisho ukuthi angisenayo i-asthma, angisasebenzisi i-spray at all ngebhayisikili. Ifana nayo ke i-diabetic. I-diabetic yona idonse up to 4 years ngilokhu ngilwa ngebhayisikili until now 100% ayisekho total. Now ngithatha as a healthy lifestyle, sekuyi-lifestyle yami ibhayisikili. Without yona, I've told myself for no bike, no life. So that's the main important thing why ngithanda ibike ukuthi ihlale nginayo la. It's my source of life. Nakwabanye abantu, it's easy ukuthi bayithathe as a source of life as long as you're gonna just do believe and push harder, fake leyo effort. I'm telling you, this is life. Hi, for now, I'm feeling very well. As we are exercising in this hot day, it's a very good thing. It's like when you clean the garden, whereby you take out the weeds in the hot day, automatically they die. But if you take out the weeds in a rainy day, it's like you are planting. So if I'm exercising in this time of the day, I know everything is coming out. Yeah, so I'm feeling very well. We are from Orange Farm. We cycle straight via a Golden Highway straight to Daveland, 10 left, Daveland to Baragwanath. Baragwanath, now we are at City Park, City Power here in Bara. We take straight the road to Orlando. Orlando will take the route straight to North Geseg via Orlando, via New Canada, Jumper, Main Reef Road to Highgate, until we go to Helen Joseph to Sophiatown Police Station, straight to Albertville, Greymont to Northcliffe Corner, Linden up to Randburg. That's the route we are utilizing in each and every day, going in and out from work, home to work. The bicycle, as long as you do exercise, I'm telling you, the first thing you will never accommodate is anger. Anger, hatred, stress. Those are the major things that they will never get any room within your body. Before we go to other things like sugar diabetic and all those things.
Bicycle e mo thusitse ka baka la gore o ne a dula na le spray ka pokotong neng ha e moga mongwe a spraya ha fitlha mo letsatsi le lengwe le a dikela a e lebala le a dikela a sa utlwa nix ha a le bicycle a sa spraya tsatsi leo la botlala ka tshuwa ke re hai motho a sa spraya and o lebetse spray lwa B2 a tsamaya hape ka spray a gotla sa a re ha ka spraya ka bicycle. David o qeta nako e telele o sa kgona o qeta kgwedi a sa spray o sa qeta kgwedi tse pedi a sa spray na ke re hai wena nthe e feletse ka gore o se utlwa ke ntho eo ke asthma le diabetic ha o ko o ye sepetlele o yo checka gore go etsahalang o itse ha gutla lwa pele o ile a gutla a sena pampiri nna a sa mpontshe ba mo jotsa fela gore a ona ntho eo a o sana tlhoko yore o ka spraya hape. David o itse ha Peter hape a kare ya go nkhutlele le pampiri o bontsha gore a ona ntho tseo ka neta go tla thola ha nna nix. David ya sa ba motho a spray le ka je no mo ka searcha ntlo ka ofela o kana wa thola maybe ebile a sena di empty tsa teng motho o ke gale e fodile ntho eo ha sena asthma ha sena diabetic ke motho a right no ka bicycle.
Ama-medal nginawo ama-silver medals, ama-gold medals, ne-bronze ayi-1. Ama-gold ayafika 4 and then nama-silver ayafika 4 and then ngibe ne-bronze ayi-1 from include nawo wonke ama-local race. Ngingaparticipate ku-94.7, I'm sure 3 times ngaparticipate Cape August ngayi-2 nalawa ama-local. Ke na le bicycle tse pedi ke thusa bana mo lokshineng ke ya kgona gore ke ba palamise bicycle ka 1 ba thewa ba siedisana o etsetsa gore the time ke tla thola mo ke tla tholang di bicycle chance gore ke thole di bicycle tse enough ke tlo kgona go ba supplier o mongwe le o mongwe a bane le ya hae. And then the main important thing re tla re sa haholo re tlamile re latele ba le ba disability at least nka thola di 10 le di tandem bikes because the tandem bike le etsa gore le ba disability re ba accommodate with easy a rena taba any kind of disability. I got that experience ke berekisitse ntho yona for 3 years ke thusa batho ba diabetes ba disability. Never mind you are blind, never mind you are deaf, never mind you can't walk on your own or you can't do anything. As long as you got a tandem bike with my team, then it's easy re accompany re tsamaye for better exercise. Nizobona ukuthi abantu abane disability they got their own skills also. Ngoba nge-tandem bike uyakwazi ukuthi umthathe from point A to point B ayohlangana some of the people achinche environment ashare ideas so akasabe i-target ye-diabetic ebe mina ngekuyo. Ngokwamanje siseSophia Town. From here kuya eOrange Farm singayicountela boma 60. Yo. Ngawa ngahamba. Yeah. Manje siseRandburg la ngisebenzela khona. This is my office. Yeah, as a security. Yeah, from Orange Farm it takes me up to 2 hours because it's 86 kilometers away from here. I use my bicycle coming in and going back home. The first thing I take a shower because as a cycler from a long distance, obviously I have to take a shower and then prepare myself for a shift. Easy. Uthi ngalimali. Ngiyayidisconnecta kanje angithi quick release ayifuni ipanel. I just release it so that ngiyaqala shift ngibeke kahle in a storeroom ngizoyibona after working. Kakhulu lena ihlala ikhona la emsebenzini. Yeah. Ama languages engiwakhulumayo ayafika ku 40. uma sikhuluma in overall sihlanganisa nalawa la eSouth Africa. Like in India ngithanda kakhulu enye bayibiza ngeHindi. In Hindi, when you greet, you can just easily say namaste, and then you will respond by saying namaste. If you say, like you wanna praise him like a big man, like sir, you can just say sahab, namaste sahab, with an action. Namaste sahab, namaste, kaise ho, बढ़िया, आप कैसे हो? Things like that. That's in Hindi. Yeah, then in India, I try up to 4. Then singa jump mhlambe siye kuphi bo ma Philippine. Ngiyafika nase Philippine uzwe ngithanda yenye bayibiza Tagalog ePhilippine. Uma ubulisa laphayana uthi magadang umaga. Uzwe loyana athi kemusta. Maybe ufuna ukuthi hayi sikhulungile sizobonana kusasa. Or have okay, sizobonana kusasa, you can simply say kitatayo boches. That's in Tagalog from Philippine. Ngithanda ngapha ngase Israel ngapha. Ngithanda yenye le bayibiza iHebrew. Ngiyazi ne Palestine ngiyangena. iSamaria ngale, iSamaritan. Mara kakhulu ngithanda le yesiHebrew. Uma ba like angithi yonke into yathandazelwa ngesiHebrew. Yeah, like maybe ufuna ukuthi you are blessed, Lord, our God, the sovereign of the world. You can just easily simply say Barak Ato Adonai Eloheinu Melech O Olam. That's in Hebrew. Abanye uzobati orakamani huyo shilaka bronkom rubo babayishi hazehe. Bati basho ukuthi if may our merciful one send a plentiful blessings in this building. Vajike abanye uzobati orakamani huyo shilaka bronkom rubo bahalikasainu yuvishivosainu O Olam. Basho ukuthi ungathi ngayiblessa yonke le ndawo nala sihamba khona, nala sisebenzela khona. That's in Hebrew. Yeah, ngithanda kakhulu leyo. Yeah, ama challenges bafo engihlangana nawo la endleleni is too much, like kikopana leyo re agree anung awuna yellow line ye enough litsela tsa rona, like somewhere at least ningabe ba khona re ba re tsetseli a cycling path, a cycling tsela ya bicycle mo along the street. Yeah, somewhere diteng bo Durban ke ile ka matha Durban ke ditotsi le go Cape Town next to Standard Bank Arena mo le diteng le tsela tsa di bicycle. At least le ka mo Gauteng re ka thola somewhere na le tselanyana ba extend ba etse line ya bicycle, and then people must please respect that bicycling line, because utla thola somewhere ba re tsetsa, but our own community again, they put their sand there, the bricks thinner there, they put whatever, some lukisa dikoloi mo, we're not like a bicycle or 120 pela. Remember, the bicycle that we are using is not like a bicycle nyana, it's a serious bikes of which is ready for a long distance. That means we talk about speed there. The more the speed, the more the distance. So out some speed say we tolerate mutu can say we Santa mustra line in your bicycle, of which now is a hazard. You are going to fall there, you are going to damage some things there. Bicycle yakai damage ile itanida close to not less than 10,000 rand only for service. It's one of the expensive bikes it's a griberekisang.
Lana mfo angithi uyabona ama pothole la endleleni ngizama kuvala. I'm on my way to Randburg, so I'm just trying to close ngoba ama puncture la uyabona. At least maybe no government mangazama ukuthi ancede ngoba hey kubi man, kubi makunje uyabona ngitholi ne level yakhona.
Ya kwatsi angandi muthu wavhuḓi badi kha baisigira vha ya ṅwe na ṅwe nga dzi baisigira mavhengeleni na mushumoni vha dzula vha kha baisigira, ende ndi khotsi wavhuḓi badi kha vhana vhavho.
The longest distance engike travel ngebicycle was from Forchville to Windhoek. Ngithathela up to 21 days endleleni ngiphuma ngase Uppington. The latest here Limpopo, it was last year December. Yeah, I was going down to next to Elim, khona ngale ngakithi ngale amashamba ngale. Yeah, it's 515 kilometers from 10 to 7 until 10:30 tomorrow morning. Ngathanda kubona abantu baqala basebenzisa amabhayisikili. Maybe you're going to work, you can use your bicycle to go to work, you can use your bicycle to go shop, like maybe if you think like you see like you're going to buy maybe a smaller thing for an exercise on the other side.
David im thusitse bicycle for the sickness tseo tsa dine tse motshwere bo asthma le diabetic ka baka la hore ke bile ka motloela ke ne ke nana na re tlo mogamatsi o tlo gameaneng ninga o bila qeta ke dilemo no 3 years asa tsama spray seo.
Bicycle David im thusitse ka hore hana bjale o asthma free. Ha o tshwanele borena ba bangwe re chabileng o kitima ka bicycle re dileng o tsamaya ka dikoloi.
Ever since incede mina ibicycle in terms of health, sugar diabetic and asthma is not an easy disease ukuthi ungas escape. You can go to whoever doctor bazoyilalisa kancane but izochubeka. But ngebicycle, that's why I like South Africans, not only South African, the fellow African people, the continent as a whole. Let's just try and double check on utilizing a bicycle as our main weapon to all of the disease.